Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving my hands-on thoughts with the G5 Pro controller made by MACHENIKE. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. If you're new to my channel and you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and let's get straight into the video. MACHENIKE is a company I previously didn't know much about. They produce different products such as laptops, desktops, monitors, keyboards, mice, controllers and headsets. So the design of the G5 Pro is based on the Xbox controller with changes to the placement of the home, back and menu buttons. The G5 has tactile action buttons and a D-pad which feel not as firm but very responsive when pressed. The translucent magnetic faceplate cover can be removed, which gives access to the Hall effect joysticks, which I'll discuss more when I talk about some of the customization and pro features of this controller. The joysticks can be removed, which show the Hall effect controller. Along the top has the textured bumpers, Hall linear triggers and the USB-C port. The back of the controller also has a textured finish. The connection mode toggle switch, charging contacts for a compatible charging stand sold separately, and the two programmable back buttons. The G5 Pro has onboard memory and some really great customization features which allow you to fine tune the controller to the type of game you're playing and your playstyle. By downloading the PC Control Center software allows you to customize up to 4 profiles. The first tab is a testing tab where you can try any changes that you've made to the controller. The joystick and trigger tabs allow fine tuning to the dead zones and enable either a shorter or a longer trigger pull. The motion sensing tab gives options for sensitivity and mapping to a mouse, D-pad and joysticks. The turbo tab allows mapping to different buttons. Macros allows the back buttons and trigger customizations. The lighting and the vibration tabs let you set the RGB lighting and vibration to how you would want, and the others tab enables firmware upgrades, motion and trigger calibration, and an option for a factory reset. The G5 Pro controller feels light and very comfortable in my hands, which is important, especially if you're intended to play games for long periods. I really like how the tactile action buttons feel, the ability to customize the button layout, bumpers, triggers, vibration and even motion controls. Even the RGB lights can be customized without the PC software by pressing the function key and the D-pad. I really like that this controller can be used on PC, Switch, iOS devices and Android devices. I use the 2.4G wireless adapter on my PC, which is super easy to set up and use. MACHENIKE advised that this controller has low latency of up to 3 milliseconds. The battery life gives 5 to 8 hours on a single charge, with a charging time of between 2 to 4 hours. Overall, I think this is a really good controller that has a lot of pro features, that's very comfortable to use and can be connected either wired or wirelessly to different devices. So that is the video, guys. Thank you if you made it all the way to the end. If you're new to my channel and you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button. Feel free to leave a comment or any comments down below. A like is always appreciated, and I'll see you all in the next video.